What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Kills the Lou against, man. Today we back with Whipz, and today we back working on the 1999 C230 Kompressor, you know. And today what we're gonna be doing is today we're gonna be changing the long sirens on it and putting in these HPENT patches. So sit back, relax. Oh, don't forget to get y'all HPENT masks too, you know what I'm saying? You can go to our website, check our website out at highperformanceentertainment.com, or you can go to our Facebook page at HPENT, or go to our Instagram page at HighPerformanceENT. Now, let's get into Whipz. First, I'm going to start on these HPENT patches. You know, go ahead and put them on the seat. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to put them in the seat right here. I think I'm going to put them like right here. And then they're going to go right in the middle. Right there. You know what I'm saying? But I'm going to put a dot and probably get some string to center it, you know, and get it right. Alright, everybody. I think I'm not going to use your string. I think I'm going to just play it by the eye. But I'm going to be alright.
I'm fucking hoes across the globe. Floss be getting blow in Tokyo. To may ride me like a rodeo. After the show, on to the next episode. Gymnastic bending, massage with the happy ending. Then I came home and drove to Lexus to Texas. That's where I met the white girl Shelly from Piney Valley. Had a friend for my nigga Kill's name Riley. No stomach, booty was wider than the apple. Then we left the birds after a slice of pizza.
All these do,
that's where I met they girl Sharita. Had a sister named
they
said it's nice to meet you.
They the iron on ones. So all I gotta do is take an iron, put it up there, put it to it, and then it should stick. So I'll be back with that. Alright, now that we got our iron pipe hot, I'm gonna attempt to put this on the seat. So y'all saw, I'm gonna send it to people right there.
Take her to the mansion so we can straight flex. I wanna Rory around my wrist, a leer around my neck, Bugatti in my pocket, keep them drinks on deck. Snatching a la mommy, and you know what's next. Take her to the mansion so we can straight flex.
Yes, it does. Straighten it though. Straighten it out. Just keep it up there for a few seconds.
Yeah, I'd like to welcome everybody to the Cincinnati show tonight. And what's going on? What's going on, bro? How y'all doing, ladies? Yeah, I'm looking and smelling good. Yeah, we about to have a good time on this motherfucker tonight, man. Go in there and check you out a seat. Got 2-for-1 drink specials going on. Hey, security. Hey, man, check them niggas right there, man. They look like they got burners on them.
Voila. It's up there. Y'all can see, no damage to the seat. Let me pull the camera up to it. No damage to the seat. And it's on there.
Check it out.
Right on the seat.
Yeah.
I hit y'all back with the driver's side today. Alright, we back. So now I gotta mark the other one. I think I want it about right there. Yeah, the look of that one. I think I want it up a little bit. Alright.
Can't go to sleep cause they be calling my name. Can't go to sleep cause they be calling my name. It's scary. Mary, hit him with the pistol shovel. Bury, dig him up and then reanimate him. Then kill him again, then laminate him. I'm smoking and bombing at grave sites.
I'll be back with y'all. Whipz. Alright, got both of them in there, as you can see. That was on there.
I can't wait. Breaking out Halloween
day, Michael Myers
on the playground. Look, silver bullets out of Raytown. The only way that I'ma lay down.
Conversating
with the dead homie saying Cincinnati on his way round.
And not stitched, but you know, it is what it is. Little patch, you know. Real good. He ain't coming off. But I'll be back. Now it's time to shoot over and do what's going on, everybody. It's your boy Kels again, man. And today on Euro Whipz, we're gonna be looking at the 1999 Mercedes-Benz C230 Kompressor. And what I'm doing today is radio install. As y'all can see, that bad puppy's gonna go in right there. I got a hole in the Mercedes right there that I was getting by, but that's the new Pioneer. Right here, Pioneer 7200 that's gonna go in. So, and we put in the HPENT patches. So sit back, relax, eat your popcorn. Yo, it's your boy Kels Euro Whipz, HPENT. So right now, as you can see, I got my harness here. I'm connecting all the wires to, you know. I got, for the most part, all the power wires and the, you know, illumination wires and the remote wires already done. So now I'm gonna head into doing the speaker wires. You know what I'm saying? Let me focus. Doing those speaker wires, and then we should be ready to go. Install it, and it should be ready to go. I kind of work fast forward. I fast forward, you know, from the video, but y'all get the gist. You know what I'm saying? That's the old harness right there. You know what I'm saying? Got the new harness, so y'all stay tuned. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, I got all the speaker wires done. Now what I'm gonna do is make sure they all group together. So I'm just taking my electrical tape, going around to make sure once they get in the back, like there, you know, it can be all secure and won't get in the way of other stuff. This is nice, easy fit. That's as you can see, a nice, tight, easy fit with all the speaker wires. 950 when I'm out in public, I'm the shit. And it's to the point where they be asking who that is. And I tell a bishop, Cincinnati to my friends. I guess we tell these bitches all that we could be as friends. I don't wanna spend a night unless we wake and fuck again. Scrambled eggs up on my plate, then put some bacon on the rim. Then go get naked so that I could come and rape your ass. So you got all your wires together. See, got all your wires together, nice and neat. Let it go back inside the dash. Get y'all back in a minute. Alright, everybody, you can see we got power to the radio, and it's working. Staticky right now, we'll see. I can't change. Let me see. Can't change the station, but let me see. I hit back and try to change the station. There you go. You can hear it now. It's commercial on the radio, but
call now for a free consultation. Call 800-709-6011. That's 800-709-6011.
Playing out all the speakers.
800-709-6011. Optima Tax Relief. Some restrictions apply. For complete details, please visit OptimaTaxRelief.com. Get ready to turn up.
I hit y'all back when it's up in there and let y'all see it. Alright, y'all can see it's in there, bumping that kiss. Old school Pioneer. Before we in the 1999 C230 Kompressor Mercedes-Benz. Working cool, so hit y'all back.
Fine, I can talk. Now let's see if you can listen. Give me a double espresso and see if there's some place around here with decent sushi. Dopevoicemusic.com. Get yourself a little something.
Who are you?
Let's just say I'm the boss.
The boss?
Why certainly? We closed curtain, MCs speaking on murking me. Now the show's over, it ended tragically. MCs beating me, something I had to see. I take hoes to the lair, they like your majesty. Are you mad at me? I tell them no casually. Keep counting these prezzies and stop asking me. Do I put you back in the corner to twerk that ass for free?
The work of a hustler is never done. They gon' say you change when you level up. Sometimes when you on the grind, you gotta leave old things behind.
Hey yo, tune in again. Next time we'll be taking you and switching the wiper blades off of my 1999 BMW 528i right here. It'll be switching the wiper blades out. You know what I'm saying? So, and we gonna get to work on this one. You know what I'm saying? And the Audi also. So, once again, it's been your boy Kels the Loop. Hey, make sure y'all go and like HPENT. Go like Natty Music. Go like Floss the Boss Music. And Floss gonna have another video, Whipz video for y'all. And he got some new music, auto-tune on SoundCloud. Search him, Floss the Boss. Natty got some new songs coming. You know what I'm saying? Sister Daddy Red, search him. Look me up. And us up on YouTube also. And Kels the Loop, the producer. You know what I'm saying? That's where all our HPENT videos at. You know, you can look at all our music. And yo, that's it. Whipz, man. That's what we do.